Okay, good day. I am from Globalize Agency here in Malaysia, and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive your buy data from Avantage Agency in the Philippines, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am.
If you don't know how to communicate with the employer, better stay in the Philippines because there is no point of coming here. Okay? Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
No, don't tell me later once you reach here in Malaysia, you have the sister, you have the brother, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
I'm healthy, ma'am.
If you feel unwell or if you think that there is something inside your body, better stay in the Philippines also, yeah?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this your
I
first
agree.
time working abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
Why you
First
didn't
time.
choose to go Singapore or Hong Kong? Why you didn't choose to go Singapore or Hong Kong? Why you choose Malaysia?
Um,
Malaysia is a very strict country. Employers here is very strict. You don't have any freedom. You cannot hold your phone for 24 hours. Why you come to work here in Malaysia?
I try, ma'am.
You just try.
Yes, ma'am. But
Uh,
I'm willing to work, ma'am.
So can you help me introduce yourself, please?
I'm Teresa Atendido, 30 years old, high school graduate. I have a one children. She's already 8 years old. Um, my previous work as a family housekeeper way back 2000, January 15, 2022, 2000, February 15, 2024. I'm in charge in doing cooking, washing, marketing, and
Okay, I need to know some few more details from you first before we proceed to your working experience, okay? How old are you again?
30 years old.
Are you single or married?
Single mom.
Single mother, single with live-in partner, or with boyfriend or single parent?
Single mother.
You have boyfriend.
No, mom.
Yes or no?
No.
Are you sure you don't have boyfriend?
Yes, mom.
We don't want later that your boyfriend will interrupt us after you come here, ma'am. Uh, Teresa is my girlfriend. How is she? So we don't want to hear from that later, okay? So let's please be honest about it. Do you have boyfriend? Yes or no?
No, mom.
When is your birthday?
June 8, 1995.
What is your height and your weight?
I had 5'4" and my weight 59.
What is your religion?
Catholic.
What about your educational background?
High school graduate.
High school graduate. You mentioned that you got one kid, which is 8 years old, and you are a single parent. So who will going to take care of your kid later once you come to work here?
My mother.
How old is your mother and what is her occupation?
Mother, farmers. 60 years old.
Okay, how many brothers and sisters do you have?
7 brothers and two sisters.
What is your rank in your family?
6
What about your father? How old is your father and what is his occupation?
farmers.
How old is he?
63.
63. Is your family allowed you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
No problem later.
No, ma'am.
Because this is a 2 years contract and you cannot simply say you wanted to go back home if you miss your family, you feel homesick, or if you cannot handle your job anymore. No such a thing, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Because once you terminate your contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency as nobody forced you to come into work here, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we go through to your working experience. You mentioned just a while ago that you work as a stay-in maid, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
In which part of the Philippines?
Paranaque.
Parañaque. So you started working there for way back 2015 to 2024. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am. 2022, ma'am.
2015 to 2022.
Hindi, ma'am. 2022, 2024.
Oh, 2022 to 2024. You worked for 2 years, is it? You are stay-in maid.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, stay-in maid. What is your job responsibilities there again? According to you, you do the house chores, cooking, laundry, ironing, and marketing.
Yes, ma'am.
What happened? Why you didn't continue working with this employer?
Finish contract, ma'am.
Finish contract. There is contractual. I think for stay-in maid or maid in the as a housemaid in the Philippines, I think it's contractual, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you finish your job. You finish your
Yes.
contract.
Yes, ma'am.
After 2024, do you have any working experience until recently? Or you are a full-time mother?
Full-time mother.
Full-time mother. Okay, you will working as a domestic helper, okay? So you need to expect those unexpected things because you might experience some things that you didn't experience in the Philippines.
Yes, ma'am.
Employers here is very particular when it comes to cleanliness. Houses here is quite big. Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am. I agree.
Can you take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take your elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
No, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Are you aware that you cannot hold your phone for 24 hours?
Yes, ma'am.
You can hold it during night time only, okay? After you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. But if we found out that you are abusing using of your handphone during nighttime and on the next day you feel groggy and you cannot handle your job, then we will going to ask the employer to let you use your handphone for 2 to 3 hours only, okay?
Yes, ma'am. No problem. Yes,
No
ma'am.
problem. So, also, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house. And if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. So, you are okay with our rules and regulations. No problem.
Yes, ma'am.
We don't force people to come here, okay?
Yes,
If
ma'am.
you disagree, better stay in the Philippines or find job opportunities into other countries, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Being a first-timer, normally homesickness will always strikes you anytime and anywhere. How will you gonna handle it later? What will you do if homesickness strikes you?
I will focus my job, then I will, after my work, watching movie.
Watching movie, yeah. Okay, remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad, most especially you are a single parent, okay?
Yes,
You
ma'am.
wanted to sustain your family's needs and you wanted to give a better future for your child, knowing that you are providing for your child alone, right? So, in Philippines, you can do whatever you want, but here in Malaysia, no such a thing. We need to follow the rules and regulations of the employer, and we need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time. We need to humble ourselves. This is Malaysia, and this is not the Philippines. Okay? Any problems or any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Globalize agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Okay?
Ma'am.
Thank you so much and have a good day.
Okay, ma'am.